Ain't gotta say it twice. She gon' make me say it twice. Oh yeah. She bad, she lit, she poppin', she titty.
I'm using this because I got this from one of the hairstylists on YouTube. Like, it helps lay the hair more, and I just use this to even lay it more. Now I'm only putting it on the edges of the hair. No circulation. for a good 2 minutes. So this is it. I am gonna wet the hair. I'm gonna wet it. So this is the hair. I changed my shirt, so don't mind. This is the hair, fluffy and poofy, and I'm going to wet it now. So I like it this way. I'm not adding baby hairs. I don't have my little puffer, so I'm just gonna use this bottle of water. I don't have the spray thing. It's gonna take forever. Forever. I really need to invest in a pump, but I'm too lazy to go to the dollar store right now. I can always go in and flat iron this so it could be flat, but I like the wave. I like the wave right here. Okay. I'm done. I'm done. This is it wet. Now let me go change my shirt and look more presentable, and we could talk. All right. Okay, before you guys come and roast me in these comments, I see the demarcation in the line. Like on camera, I don't know. It's like it shows like on camera where the lace front is, but I'm telling you in person you could barely see it. So that's why you can see like at different angles the lace is gone, then in another angle it reappears. But I'm telling you, the lace was laid and I don't care, I was cute. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Continue to watch. So hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing another hair video. As you can see by the title, I have a Shein try on haul coming soon, so go check that out. I mean, don't go check it out, it'll be coming after this video. So yeah. So but this is a cute top that I got from Shein. I hope you guys like it, and I think this necklace is from Boohoo. And I'm getting off topics. Okay, so I wrote about the hair here so I wouldn't forget what to tell you guys. So this hair is a 13 by 16 inch, which has, let me show you, There's parting space. There's no parting space here, but the parting it goes all the way back here, and there's like a little bit besides it stops here. You could do like a ponytail or like a whole bun. Well, you could do like a whole bun in these streets. No baby hair. Also, I wanted to tell you guys, oh yeah, this hair is a lace front, 13x6 waterway. It's 150% density, and it's 18 inches baby hair. But me, I didn't do no baby hair because I'm still trying to master that. So I also did the watercolor method, which I dyed the hair with. I did the watercolor method using this Adore black velvet 120. So I just, the lace part, I didn't dip the lace in the water, I just dipped the back part, and the black came out pretty good. The hair, it doesn't shed, no tangle. I mean, it doesn't have that much shedding. The only time it was shedding a lot is of course when I was plucking the hair. It does come kind of pre-plucked, but I did some over plucking, so I ended up cutting a lot of the lace off and did my own pluckings over again. But I like it now. It's not that bad. Oh, also the hair was super fast. The shipping was fast, y'all. I ordered it November 5th and it came November 7th, so the shipping is very fast. Everything will be linked in the description down below. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to go check out my other videos and my other videos. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.